In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to swap token with Coinbase wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to swap token with Coinbase wallet. So to swap token with Coinbase wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go to log in into your Coinbase wallet account. You just have to go to log in into your account, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go to the browse section, and from here go ahead and select swap. When you've selected the swap, then you could go ahead and select the desired network type, and as you've done that, next you can go ahead and select the token that you wish to swap and receive, and you could go ahead and enter the exact amount and go through it and review the details and select confirm swap. When you've done that, you can go ahead and read all of the information or the review the terms and policies, and you'll have successfully swapped token within Coinbase wallet. So that is how you can swap token within Coinbase wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.